2025 is the year of the snake, according to the Eastern Zodiac, and Nike just dropped their Year of the Sneaker collection, so of course I had to create a shirt that matches the vibe. I mean, what's the point of having fresh kicks if your fit isn't just as fire? So I sat down, grabbed my brushes, and boom, trust no one was born. But why a snake, you ask? Oh, you're about to see. So when I was brainstorming ideas, I thought, snakes and trust no one. That's a match made in, well, not heaven, more like a spy movie. If you've ever watched The X-Files, Mission Impossible, or literally anything involving the CIA or KGB, you know this phrase is legendary. It's the kind of thing they whisper before they betray you. It's that cold-blooded energy. That's when it hit me. A handshake with a snake. A classy, business-style handshake, but boom, the snake strikes. The watch on the wrist? That symbolizes a smooth, sophisticated businessman who thinks he's making a power move, but instead, he's getting played. Classic. And for colors? Oh, I had to make it pop. I went for a green and blue vibe to match the sneakers because, let's be real, coordinating your drip is an art form. Originally, I was going to paint the snake jade green, but then I thought, nah, too friendly. It needed something darker, more sinister, to match the trust no one energy. So I tweaked it until it looked just right. Now, to make this stand out even more, I needed some fire. But not just any fire, not that basic orange-red stuff. Nah, I went with green fire because why not add some magic to it? It's like the flames of deception, kinda eerie, kinda hypnotic. You don't know if it's gonna burn you or lead you into something even crazier. And yeah, I threw in a little extra green glow for that radioactive, mysterious energy. The result? A shirt that doesn't just look dope, it tells a story, and boom, there it is. This design turned out sick. Wearing it just hits different, you know? And here's the craziest part. This shirt, it was the bestseller of 2024. Yep, Dunkare's top-selling piece, with versions ranging from t-shirts to sweatshirts. So if you're feeling this vibe and want to rep the Year of the Snake in style, you already know what to do. Hit that link, support the brand, and let's keep making fashion legendary. Until next time, stay fresh, stay sharp, and remember, trust no one.